Hello everyone, having trouble with Cox, no internet, no Wi-Fi or slow speed? In this video, we will walk you through simple fixes to get your connections up and running. Let's dive in. Why Cox internet issue occurs? Cox internet issue can occur due to various reasons including low bandwidth from multiple connected devices, router malfunctions or outdated firmware and physical obstructions affecting Wi-Fi signals. Additionally, potential service outages in your area can also lead to connectivity problems. Lastly, improper configuration or damaged cables can may hinder your internet performance. Fix 1. Check your equipment. Power status. Ensure that your modem and router are plugged into a power source and turned on. Look for the following lights. Power light should be solid green. Internet light should also be solid green. If it's red or off, there may be a connectivity issue. Wi-Fi light, if applicable, this should be lit up to indicate that Wi-Fi is active. Fix 2. Restart your modem and router. Unplug both your modem and router from the power outlet. Wait for 30 seconds to allow the device to fully reset. Plug the modem back in first. Wait until all the lights stabilize. This may take a few minutes. Then plug in the router and wait for it to fully reboot. Fix 3. Check cable connections. Ensure that all cables are securely connected to your modem, router, and wall outlet. Look for any visible damage or fraying on the cables. If you find any damaged cable, replace them. Fix 4. Test your connections. Connect a computer or a laptop directly to the modem using the Ethernet cable. This will help determine if the issue is with your Wi Fi network or the internet connection itself. Open a web browser and check if you can access the internet. If you can connect via Ethernet but not Wi Fi, the issue may lie with your router. Fix 5. Check for service outages. Service outages can affect many users in your area, and knowing this can save your time troubleshooting. Visit the Cox service status page or sign into your Cox account via their app or website. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Then enter your address and click search button. Look for any reported outages in your area that could be affecting your services. Fix 6. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Accumulated cache and cookies can slow down your browser and affect internet performance. For Google Chrome, open Chrome and click on the three dot in the top right corner. More tools, clear browsing data, cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then click on clear data. Firefox, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Options, go to privacy and security under cookies and site data. Go to clear data, check both options, then clear. Enable develop menu. Open Safari and click on the Safari menu at the top left. Then go to preferences, advanced, show develop, then go to empty caches, then go to history and cookies. History menu, go to clear history, time range, and then go to clear history. Fix 7. Run a speed test. Testing your internet speed helps you understand your connection performance. Open a web browser and go to speedtest.net. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Click on the Go button to start the test. Wait for the test to complete, which will show your download speed, upload speed, and ping latency. Alternatively, you can also use Cox speed testing tool in your mobile device. For Cox Panoramic Wi-Fi users, download the Cox Panoramic Wi-Fi app from the App Store or Google Play, ensuring your device runs iOS 11.0 or later or Android 6.0 or later, and log in with your primary user ID and password to conduct a speed test. Non-panoramic Wi-Fi users should download the Speed Test app or visit speedtest.net in their browser while connected directly to the modem via Ethernet, avoiding connections through a router. Fix 8. Limit bandwidth usage. Identify devices connected to your network that are not currently in use, smartphone, tablet, smart TVs. Disconnect these devices from Wi Fi to free up bandwidth, especially if multiple devices are streaming or downloading simultaneously. Fix 9. Contact Cox support. If none of these steps resolve your issue, it may be time to contact Cox customer support for further assistance. You can reach through their online chat support or by visiting a local Cox store. I have provided both the links in the description. You can directly go through it.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.